Okay. So to start, she's going to just throw a jab and a cross. I'm just going to cover cut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I've got a little bit of that in it, but I'm not doing the lock. So I'm just going up, 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 up and in, up. Anna's going to have lots of fun. Go for it. So yeah, do a handful and then let your partner then switch positions. Don't.
Pulling them down too much.
Yeah. Even if I lop with her, the most I go is to my belt. Right? So even if I'm doing the lop, I don't want to do this. I might on occasion do that, but even that's stopping at my belt. It looks like more, but that's because of the turn, but I'm still stopping at my belt. Okay, go ahead and add the lock. Go ahead and add the lock, but try and keep the first one. So it's not where I'm letting go, but I'm actually trying to keep the first one. Because ultimately I want to end up in a trap. But for right now, let go of the first one after you've got control of the second arm so that you can continue for a bit.
So just regular laps, but like extra sticky.
Extra sticky on the first one.
I enjoyed similar. Oh, okay.
Okay, so now let's turn it into a trap. And first we'll go very, very, very traditional. Okay, so she throws the first punch and the second. So at this point, I've got basically the trap. I just have to learn to always let go of the right hand. And I don't mean my right, I mean the correct hand. Because if I let go of this one, I have to let go of this one. And then traditionally it would be lansao or gum, strike again, and 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 again. But constantly keeping that cover. So we'll do the basic chain. 1, 2, first hit, lansao, go for your, touch their throat, touch their hand, but then chop up. Then into the throat. Okay? Love your sound. Now lansao. Hit lansao. Then poke in the throat. Now exchange so that that biu keeps the trap and lift their under chin up. So you got the trap and you hit, you cover, poke him in the throat, and that makes him come forward. Then I lift his head up. But notice I regained the trap. Regain the trap, poke him in the throat. Lift his head up. But each time you maintain the trap as much as possible. Would you get to do it that many times in a fight? No.